Okay, so let me show you how to solve this equation using the elimination method lah. Okay, so using the elimination method, okay, so let's say you have this as equation 1 and this one is your equation 2 lah. So just obviously you can just kill this first, v1, and then solve for v2. Then after you get the v2, so then you can just substitute the value inside one of this equation to get v1 lah. Alright, let me write back again the equation, which is we have 3v1 minus with v2 equal to 20. Then we have 3v1 minus 5v2 equal to 60. So what you have to do to eliminate this v1, what we have to do is that we need to subtract 3v1 minus with 3v2, so we eliminate this lah. Alright, so 3v1 minus with v1 is 0. Then we need to negative v2 minus with minus 5v2. So what you have is that v2 plus with 5v2, so you will have 4v2 equal to 20 minus with minus 60. Alright, I forget to put the minus. 20 minus with minus 60, you will get 40 lah. So now you can have v2 equal to 80 over 4, so that your v2 is actually equal to 20 volts. Alright, and then just go to the other side. You want to get the value for a v1. Let's say you just substitute the value here. 3v1 minus with 20 equal to 20. So 3v1 equal to, when you bring the negative 20 here, this one gonna be 40, and your v1 is equal to 40 over 3. So this is your answer lah, which is v2 is 20 and v1 is 40 over 3. Okay.